Alright, welcome back to my ISO builder. We go to ArcoLinux. There is one package that's new. Did I already put it in here or not? Let's have a look. arcolinux-obmenu-generator-xtended. So it's here. And this is what we did on the other computer. Okay. Let's make a package build. So we reuse code, always. ArcoLinux OB menu, the minimal one, right? So that's good. Control C, Control V. Now instead of the word minimal, we've used the word extended. Rename. So in here, anything minimal needs to go, needs to be extended. Like so. Save. Super technical. Once you have a template, it's just keeping your eyes open, which is getting more and more difficult. Package, etc, scal, config. You're gonna put this there, and those two guys are in here. Let's a general look here. Actually, we did not look at the other file in the other video. Config plus. Is there anything we would want to change? So Genie opens easily. That's great. Here is where you put your desktop files. Nothing to be changed. Nope, all good. Thought as much. So we have created a package. Buy, and buy. And we're going to build it now for real. It's going to be put oh, 3.1. Did you see it? 3.1. It's been a while since we've touched that thing. So 12 stands for the month. Okay, move you out of the way. In here, let's go and look for the wrong one. OB menu extended, so that's the wrong one. These two need to go. That one can stay. And we are going to put it back online. And another video will be added to the list. Looking good. And see you on the other computer.